What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech and I'm really excited. I hope you guys are excited too to check out the Amazfit GTR. This is an all-new smartwatch. It's a brand new smartwatch for about $150. That's about half price of what other competitors are charging, and this is giving you a lot of bang for your buck. It's not a chintzy watch at all. They're promising 24 days of usage, and that's just insane, guys. 74 days in basic mode and 40 hours of continuous GPS monitoring. That is just insane. So we're gonna unbox it and check it out, and if you're interested in picking this up, check my link down below. I got this from Banggood, and it only took a week to get here, so that's not bad at all. Check out my link down below. If there's some coupon codes, I'm going to throw them down there as well. But let's go ahead, unbox, and check out the all-new Amazfit GTR. Let's just take a look at the packaging. I think it's a really nice packaging, guys. It's very clean, very simple, very elegant in my opinion. But on the front, it says an AMOLED display. That's a 1.39-inch panel. You have continuous heart rate monitoring, water resistance up to 5 ATM for pool and open water. So that's really great for you triathletes out there. And you also have a long-lasting battery at 410 milliamp hour. Smartphone notifications. Now there isn't a speaker, unfortunately, but you do get vibrations, and then you get multi-sport modes. On the back, basically the same thing. This does have Bluetooth 5, so that's absolutely huge in my opinion. Let's just open this up and see what it looks like. And I'm really excited, guys. This is a watch that I've been anticipating ever since the announcement not that long ago. So inside, you get a nice cream style colored box in here. And then this is the watch. Really a nice design. Now they do have two editions. They have a stainless steel and then the aluminum, but I decided to go with the all kind of black look here. I didn't want a two-tone colored watch. So this is the actual watch here, and it is pretty light. It's actually a nice light watch. But let's see what else we get inside. We get the usual books. If you guys want to read this, you're welcome to it. Inside we get our charging puck. They don't give you a wall wart. It's just this little puck style. But we probably have plenty of these USB wall warts around. But this is the main attraction. And I really like this design. Let's just do a nice 360 bird's eye view of it. Really a nice looking smartwatch. Really cool. Amazfit. It is amazing that they're giving you all of this smartwatch for about 150 bucks. So I do have to download an app. Alright guys, so this is something I just want to show you. If you are setting it up, don't get frustrated. When you are trying to pair the watch, it's going to say scan for QR code, but there isn't really a QR code on the Amazfit GTR. This little sentence down here doesn't look like a button, but it is. All you have to do is press it, and then it's going to search for your watch over Bluetooth. This was a little frustrating for me, so I want to make it easier for you guys. Hopefully that helps out. But let's go ahead and continue with pairing up the watch and see what it's all about. This is what the watch looks like, and I think it's a very stylish looking watch. I really like the way it looks. You get a very big 1.39-inch AMOLED panel, and you can see it from just about any angle. It has really nice viewing angles, so no matter how you look at it, you're going to be able to tell the time. You have the zirconium ceramic bezel here, so that should help with scratching and whatnot. On the wrist, it looks really nice, guys, and this does come in a 42mm, so if you wanted something a little bit smaller, you could do so, and it also comes in a nice stainless steel two-toned action if you want to change up the design. But I like this style personally. I like the one color look, and it just looks really stylish. Kind of reminds me of a Swiss watch. Inside, you have a 410 milliamp hour battery, promising 24 days of battery life, and that's absolutely huge. I really hope they can deliver on that promise, because if they can, this definitely is the bargain of 2019. And if you want basic mode, it's about 74 days, but we don't want basic mode. We want all our notifications and whatnot to come through. You have 5 ATM water resistance in here, so it's perfect for pool and open water swimming. This is great for those triathletes or for those huge swimmers that like to swim across the English Channel. You can wear this watch with no issues whatsoever, and with 40 hours of continuous GPS monitoring, this is promising to be a really great sports, a really great fitness watch in my opinion. Again, I'm going to put all of these claims to the test and get back to you with a full review. But so far, I'm really digging this smartwatch. I think it's very stylish. But let's just continue and check it out. Now, the band itself is a hybrid style band. So you have like this little leather feeling on the top here to give it a nice elegant style. And then on the back you have probably a little silicone, so your sweat marks and everything else will not show. So it's a very durable band. It's really nice, and they are replaceable. These are 22mm style bands. The watch itself sits really nice on your wrist. It's not a puck, it's not thick at all. It's actually pretty slim. And if we take a look at it next to something like the Galaxy Watch, you can see just the difference here. Galaxy Watch is a little bit bigger, and you do have that puck style on the back. But the Amazfit is a flush thin device that sits really nicely on the wrist. The operating system is pretty basic. It's giving you really everything that you need, and the heart rate monitoring is continuous, so that's also a huge plus. If you swipe down, it's pretty much like every other smartwatch on the market right now. You have these quick toggles, so you have a quick toggle to a flashlight. There is an ambient light sensor in here, so it will automatically adjust the brightness, but if you want to turn that off, you can sort of adjust it yourself. Next, you have a do not disturb mode. So you have a time do not disturb. If at a certain time you always don't want to get disturbed, you can turn it on. Smart do not disturb means that when you use this for sleep tracking, it will not vibrate. It will turn everything off for you. And then you also have a shortcut to your battery saver right down here. And finally, if you want to lock the screen, maybe you're working out, or maybe you get some accidental presses because you have a heavy jacket on, whatever the case may be, you can just quickly lock the screen. Swiping up gives you more settings here and more applications. So you have your status. This is basically your overview of all your steps this day. Next, you have your heart rate, so you can kind of check your heart rate on the fly. Your workout activities, so they do have 12 workouts. You have outdoor running, walking, outdoor cycling, treadmill. You also have indoor cycling, open water swim, pool swimming, elliptical, climbing, trail running, skiing, and just basic exercise right down there. Your activities will show you an overview of everything you've done, so that's really cool. If you want to see how many times you've gone to the gym or went for a run, you can see it. Here's a quick access to your weather. We all like the weather. Here's your music player. Notifications is what it sounds like. There's your alarm. And then if you go into more settings, what you can do is you can assign the bottom key here to anything you want. So I have it set up to notifications, but you can kind of change it if you want to, just to show you some of those options right over there. So when you are at the home screen, you can just click on that bottom and show all your notifications. But again, guys, give me some time. I'm going to do a full review, but this is just an unboxing and first look at the Amazfit GTR. And I'm actually amazed at this watch. I don't know how they did it for 150 bucks. So let me know what you guys think about the Amazfit GTR. It's a really classic, very nice looking watch. I'm really digging it, and at $150, this could be the bargain of 2019. For international shipping, check out my description down below from Banggood. They'll ship anywhere, and you'll get it in about a week. So that's absolutely awesome. But let me know down in the comments below, what do you think about the styling? I really appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.